for apple, red and sweet. B for banana, a tasty treat. C for cherry, small and bright. D for date, a sugary delight. E for elderberry, dark and fine. F for fig, growing on a vine. G for grapes, green or red. H for honeydew, fresh and spread. I for imbi, orange and small. J for jackfruit, big as a ball. K for kiwi, fuzzy and round. L for lemon, sour and sound. M for mango, juicy and gold. N for nectarine, smooth to hold. O for orange, full of zest. P for pineapple, it's the best. U for quince, tart and rare. R for raspberry, with care. S for strawberry, sweet and bright. T for tangerine, a citrus delight. U for ugly fruit, odd but true. V for guavana, who knew? W for watermelon, cool and red. X for examina, on which we're fed. Y for yellow passion fruit, tart and fair. Z for zucchini, a fruit rare. So many fruits from A to Z, tasty and healthy for you and me.
Keep learning with Samina Kids TV. Please like, share and subscribe.